All right, guys, so this is my drawing of my cell as a house. The first part of the cell that I came up with is the cell membrane being the front door of a house as it controls what goes in and out of the cell. Number two would be cytoplasm, which compares to the air inside of the house. Air fills the house just like the jelly-like substance that fills cells, allowing cell function. And then number three would be the lysosome, which would be the equivalent of a garbage can or recycle bin as it processes and recycles waste. And then number four would be the nucleus over here in the living room, being the nucleus is the control center. So this would generally be the main living area where all main decisions are made. And then number five would be the ribosome, which is where you build and repair, or the part of the cell that builds and repairs. So the ribosomes take raw materials like amino acids and assemble into proteins, in this case for the entire house. And then the next part would be the mitochondrion, which would be it's the power generator of the cell. And this would compare to electricity, or to the power generator or electricity, as the electricity is what's used to power a house and all the functions that take place in the house. The next part would be the rough endoplasmic reticulum, which is where proteins are made and modified and also sent out to distribute. So this would be the equivalent of the hallway in the house. And then the smooth endoplasmic reticulum would be the basically in this part of the cell, there's a moving and processing of materials and detoxifying harmful substances. So the equivalent of this would be the bathroom and sewage. And then the next part would be the Golgi apparatus. So this is where the equivalent would be a mailbox, because it's the part of the cell that receives, processes, packages, and delivers. And that is what I came up with. Thank you.